Britt, I'm so excited. We're in Bylsma Manor, which is a great little development here.
Yes, I love the brick homes, and the location is awesome near the new Publix there. And you've got more businesses to come, like McDonald's and Starbucks.
I mean, it's a great location, easy to access anywhere. Let's check it out.
Let's go. Love this cute open concept living space, and the fireplace is a nice added touch.
I love the ample space in this main ensuite and that tray ceiling. But can you believe this big bathroom? Check out this extra space. For more information, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.